No sadhana, no siddhi. You have to practice. It's not that you just Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, and one day all of a sudden you become Raganuga Bhakta, and all of a sudden you become Prema. It's not like that at all. It's a sadhana. If you want to enter Krishna's Leela, you practice by entering Krishna's Leela. Because when we come to the level of Bhav and Prema, we'll see Krishna eye to eye. We'll see the Leelas, we'll be in the Leelas, we'll come back with colors on our shirt. We can be to that extent absorption. It's very deep and profound. So these are very nice things for this. And then you can try to think, and they're saying, and be there. It's called immersion, imagination. It's not kalpana. Kalpana means something that doesn't exist. You're imagining. You're trying to contemplate an image. Imagine means image making. You're imaging, like in a public advertising. Make your image. What's your public image? So we're trying to paint those images in our mind. Oh, Kadamba tree. I know what a Kadamba tree looks like this and it's like that. And they're under there and they're playing and Krishna's corridor and maybe the Yamuna's there. So you create the whole Udipan, the setting in your mind, and you're chanting. And everything goes, so many rounds go by. This is the key to having very absorbed, attentive, successful, and all there's thousands and thousands of japa classes all going on every which way, this way, that way. And they're telling all kind of very simplistic, rudimentary things. This is the real thing. It's difficult, but nothing ventured, nothing gained, no pain, no gain. But it's very satisfying. It's very when you chant japa, it's usually okay. I do. So it's called dhyan. It's called concentration.